The pre-procession ritual of the annual Traslacion is the devotees' veneration act of kissing the Black Nazarene dubbed the Pahalik, which is held a couple of days before the main event held at the same place where the procession kicks off. And tens of thousands converge at the Quirino Grandstand all day to line up and pay adoration to El Nazareno or for special prayer intentions, as our Denise Osorio reports.
A critical part of the Traslacion is in the Quirino Grandstand, where Wednesday's Pahalik event will take place, and the journey of the Andas or carriage toward Quiapo Church officially begins. Technical preparations continue uninterrupted, as millions of devotees are expected to attend. This year, several improvements have been introduced for Wednesday. There will be 3 separate queues. Devotees' movements will be more tightly controlled, and police officers who are also devotees of the Black Nazarene will participate as hijos. Technical advisor Alex Erasga added that entry and exit points are now clearer, with stricter enforcement of designated areas to prevent the sudden bottlenecking at potential choke points. To further reduce confusion and delays, clear zonings have been set aside for organized church and parish groups, while individual devotees are expected to remain in open areas. However, the most significant change this year is the upgrade to the carriage itself, which is now much easier to maneuver.
Tatlo sa inyo pwedeng magtulak. Madaling imaniobra ng manibela. Dati, kung naalala ninyo, last year, nabalaho kami dun sa may isang portalet doon. Nung iniligo namin, dumire-diretso papuntang kabilang side naman, doon sa may, dito sa may Burnham Gym. Nahirapan kaming imaniobra. Ngayon, confident ho kami in a few minutes kaya ho nating maimaniobra ng maayos.
These improvements are expected to ensure a more continuous procession, avoiding the abrupt stoppages in previous years. Among those helping in the preparations is Joseph de la Cruz, an hijo de Nazareno who has been a devotee of the Black Nazarene for 27 years. For him, his service during the Traslacion goes beyond physical work, representing a personal journey from hardship to active service for others.
Sa karanasan ko bilang hijos, yung pagiging deboto nasa puso natin. Nakaagawa tayo ng mabuti sa kapwa natin. Nakakatulong tayo sa kapwa natin. Kung meron tayong mga kasamang naliligaw ng landas, napapangaralan natin, isa siyang halimbawa na maituturing natin.
Amid the surge of crowds, the hijos are among the first to assist senior citizens, pregnant women, persons with disabilities, and devotees in need of guidance. Meanwhile, the church continues to appeal ahead of Wednesday.
Sa mga kapatid nating deboto na magsasadya sa Pahalik, magbaon po tayo lagi ng mahabang pasyensya dahil po dadaan natin sa maayos na proseso ang lahat.